Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and my painting activities have been curtailed, as you can tell, for obvious reasons, and I am trying to be gentle with myself. I've just realized I have my nice glasses on and I need to take them off. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. These are little containers that up until this moment I thought I was going to fill with that bottle. Can't use that wrist for that. So I'm going to try and put 3 colors in each of these, and they might be similar colors, not including black and white, or they might be dissimilar colors. Looks like at this moment they're going to be similar colors. Nothing wants to come out that well, but it's still not plugged up, which it used to be when I kept the caps on, so we'll see how my experiment progresses. Do I want pink and blue? I don't. I want... yeah, and that stopped. Cool. Alright. I think I shook up most of these. I may give myself permission for a last pan. And I should show you guys the little... I don't want to clear tips right now. This is the first time out of the last few days that I've had to do this. I want some pink in some things. And I think it's going to go right here. And right there. And right there. And I also want some gold. So there went my 3-color theory out the window again. Can't trust me. Oh well, never mind. I've got some nice turquoise over there, and some other pink over there, and I like that. I've got some cobalt blue, and I want to use some of that. So I've got a bunch of great colors, and my experience tells me that if I'm willing to put white in there, forced right down in, that I might get some really interesting cells happening. So I'm going to take a second and move some of my bottles out of the way, because I'm not sure what I'm doing. I might be using chain, I might just be tilting. My bottles are mostly out of the way, and I can add whatever I want. I do want to add something that I didn't, oops, looks like Flow Troll Cities. And I have a minty green. Oh, there goes my towel. Never mind. My minty green too. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to put those aside. I might put some black in. I don't need to clean that off. I need black around my edge of my canvas, I've decided. I am trying to break myself back into using my hand, even if that was painful. Because if it doesn't change, it's not going to stop me from painting. That's just the way it goes. Boy, I really need to find those tweezers. I organized my studio. You know what happens when you organize your studio, don't you? You can't find anything for a week. I did actually find the pipettes I was looking for. It only took me a minute. That looks like a dog hair. And I don't want it in there. Or that other thing. But never mind. Okay, so I have some paint dripping over my edges, and that's fine. Usually I would not necessarily want that to be the case, because I need to hold on to my edges to make things happen. But I thought I'd give myself a nice layer of black paint. I kind of want it in the middle now. Let's just use my OXO omelet turning spatula, best paint spreading spatula in the world. Available on my Amazon link below, show more, in case you're interested, along with my book called Because I Can. And if it's after Christmas, probably you might even be able to find volume 2, which should be Unlimited Possibilities, which I titled before I hurt myself. Yeah, that's funny. Maybe not as funny as it was before. Okay, so I've made most of my colors. Most of my black filled the center, and I'm sure most of you fast forwarded ahead by now, because I know I would. But oh, by the way, if you guys want to help me and want to see me stay here longer, find a way to let the videos run, because that's what the YouTube algorithm knows. When you watch longer, it gives me better placement. And I still, out of 84,000 subscribers, thank you very much, I still only have less than 1% watching at any given point in time. So, I'm going to get rid of that in the bucket. I'm going to grab my pans of color. Ouch. Put them someplace I can get to them. And think about if I want to put some, that's what I want to do. I want to put some paint on the canvas and then use a card to swipe it off. And I need a card that's nice and smooth. Maybe I will just, oh boy, what will I do? I will grab something I know is here, which is a little scoop. There we go. Wipe my bottom off. No, actually I have no idea what I'm going to do. But I'm not going to stop doing it until I run out of the inclination. I'm just going to keep taking my pretty colors and running them across in somewhat random seeming patterns, which is not really bothering me at all. I like the drips. I always wanted to drip. I should probably leave some of that. And take one of my little covers, which is the same dish turned upside down, and put it on there. Which I should also show you guys. I have some other colors that you saw me made up. That's cool. I'm done. I'm gonna grab and wipe off my bottom. My other colors. Still not sure what I'm going to do with this. If anything, I might not do anything. I never did find that cobalt blue though. Just too bad, because I kind of like the idea of that in here. I guess I could add it afterwards. This might just be whatever it is. And I might have to have that cobalt blue. Oh, maybe I did find that cobalt blue. You know what? I kind of think I see it. I'm not cleaning off my scoop in between. I'm letting the colors drain out of the end that were already there before and over it. I did slip some of that Mysterious from Art Minds in there that's no longer made. Boo hiss. Art Minds, we need our colors back. Can you hear me? Art Minds? It was only available at Michael's. I think it has another name now that you mention it, or you don't. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it. I thought I found an association with another name. I'm just going to let all that color run right down the edge. Now, being that I'm me, I have to think about this for a second as to whether I want to do anything else to it or not, because it's kind of cool just the way it is. But I find that I have an entire corner that's not covered by any color, but that's okay because I kind of expected that. Alright, I'm going to take my colors out of my way and cover them up and hope that I can come back and use them again. Now if I stick chain in there, it will be no more for sure, and I really like it. So I'm going to think about my straw here. Maybe I'm just going to take my spatula. Yep, I think that's what I'm going to do. Just going to run my spatula right up through and down through, and this could take quite a while. And we'll call it Colored Rain. or whatever. It's unfortunate that I decided to do this right now, considering what my wrist is doing, but I think it could be a lot worse. I'm very surprised by how fast I'm healing, so don't be frightened. I'm not. I was. It was scary. Yeah, I don't mind that. I kind of liked it the way it was before, but I don't mind it this way either. And I need to play. And if I don't really like what's happening, I'll take chain to it because I can. It kind of does like the balloon rolls. Ooh, I didn't think about that. And leaves cells when it's stretched. I haven't tilted, and I could. I really could.